But what about the door? Let's see how much it's actually saved.
Wild. Okay,
This car has PPF.
Oh, no way.
Oh.
There is no way that that saved that.
Oh my
That's
god!
insane.
No way! It's like brand new underneath.
I
literally
cannot believe
It
that.
literally is. Yeah, it's fine.
I cannot believe that.
No way! And it looks like the paint protection film has done its job. That whole door is pretty much untouched.